PreventID Dermatophyte is a rapid test designed for professional use to detect dermatophytes in nail samples. The PreventID Dermatophyte kit contains workstation, extraction buffer, stir rods, test tubes, test strips, test instructions. Add between 0.25 and 0.5 milliliters of extraction buffer to the test tube. Place the sample into the tube and stir at least 20 times using a stir rod, pushing the sample towards the bottom. Carefully remove the test strip from the packaging. Be careful not to touch the reaction area. Insert the test strip into the tube with the sample pad facing downward. Make sure the pad reaches the bottom of the test tube. The result should be read between 5 and 30 minutes after inserting the test strip. There are 3 possible outcomes. First, a single pink line appears in the control area. The test was performed correctly. The result is negative. Second, 2 lines appear, a pink line in the control area and a purple-brown line in the test area. The test was also performed correctly and the test result is positive. Third, if no line appears in the control area, the result is invalid. In this case, the test must be repeated using a new strip. Before performing the test, always read the full instructions in the manual. For more information, scan the QR code or visit us at preventis.com.